There are few different MOB maneuvers that you can do. This is the basic one using an engine. Here fender is MOB, so in this case alarm everybody on board, point in direction of MOB, and now it's time for VHF call or any kind of distress call that you can use. So you can also use distress button on your VHF or also on your GPS plotter. By that time move forward. Once you see the wind direction, turn downwind. This will be much easier way to turn. During this period of turn, make sure you clearly give mission to each crew member on board. Prepare what you need to prepare. So if there is a MOB ring or a horseshoe still on board, prepare to drop it. Sometimes when you have chance you drop it as soon as possible, as soon as you see person overboard. If not, as you approach, prepare to drop it so you can get your person closer to you or help him float. We are still doing a wide turn, so now it's time to slow down. You don't want to get close with very high speed next to a person, and make sure you are between the wind and the person. So the wind is always pushing you closer and closer to the person. Time for engine neutral. Prepare to completely stop. And now you are reversing until you stop, and make sure the person doesn't end up behind the boat. This is basic and the easy training drill that you should do and that everybody on board should know.